The death toll from nationwide protests in Iran has surpassed 2,500 as US President Donald Trump said he has cancelled talks with Iranian officials amid a protest crackdown. That figure dwarfs the death toll from any other round of protest or unrest in Iran in decades and recalls the chaos surrounding the country's 1979 Islamic Revolution. Iranian state TV offered the first official acknowledgement of the deaths, quoting an official saying the country had, quote, a lot of martyrs. The demonstrations began in late December in anger over Iran's ailing economy and soon targeted the theocracy, particularly 86-year-old Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. Images obtained on Tuesday by the Associated Press from demonstrations in Tehran showed graffiti and chants calling for Mr. Khamenei's death, something that could carry a death sentence. As the reported toll grew on Tuesday, Mr. Trump wrote on his Truth Social platform, quote, Iranian patriots keep protesting. Take over your institutions. He added, quote, I have cancelled all meetings with Iranian officials until the senseless killing of protesters stops. Help is on its way. However, hours later, Mr. Trump told reporters that his administration was awaiting an accurate report on the number of protesters that had been killed before acting accordingly. Mr. Trump said of the Iranian security forces, quote, it would seem to me that they have been badly misbehaving, but that is not confirmed. Iranian officials once again warned Mr. Trump against taking action, with Ali Larijani, Secretary of Iran's Supreme National Security Council, responding to the US posturing by writing, we declare the names of the main killers of the people of Iran, 1. Trump, and 2. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu. Skylar Thompson with the human rights activist news agency told AP the new toll was shocking, particularly since it reached 4 times the death toll of the months-long 2022 Mahsa Amini protests in just 2 weeks. She warned that the toll would still rise, quote, we're horrified, but we still think the number is conservative. You can keep up to date with this story and more on the Irish Independent.